Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you're watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about the age calculator. So for example, if you have your birth, you know your birthday and you want to calculate your age as in today, or if you have any specific event, so what is the time duration between that particular date and today's date. So this calculation can be easily done using Python date and time module, and also we can use time delta function. So in this video I'm going to explain you clearly about your age calculation. So first for that we need to import date and time. So I'm importing date time. Then I want to let us find what is your event. For example, I want to calculate the difference between the Independence Day and today. So let me define that Independence Day date. So Independence Day date is like date time dot date. It is year is 1947 and the month is August and the date is 15th. So this is what the day of independence everyone of knows. Okay, then now today, so we need to discuss about today, so I'll call it as a TD. So TD is the today's date. So for this I'll use date time dot date dot today. Of course multiple ways we can write it, so like date time dot directly we can define it also, but anyway today function will give us okay, this current date. So now let us first check it whether it is giving correct or not. So print what is the date of independence and also print now what we need is today. So both the things we are printing it. So let me run this. If I execute this, yeah, so 15th August 1947 and also 1st November 2023. So I'm getting both the things correct. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to calculate this difference. So difference is very quite simple. So either you can use time delta. If you want to get number of days, then you can use time delta, or else we can directly if you want year, okay, only year wise also, that also we can do it. So for example, now age in years, what I need is age in years. So for that I need to use today's date, today dot year minus and Independence Day dot year, because we are considering only years. Now print age in years. Okay, so this is what. So now let me check it. If I execute this, yeah, so I'm getting it is name error because I miss, it's wrong use, it's spelling is wrong here, it's year. So now if I run this once again, then what I get is, you see here, so actual Independence Day was 1947 and today is 2023. Now till date it was 76 years. Okay, the current age in years is 76 years, and the same thing I can find out the days also. For example, what I'll do is simply, so I'll say print uh, let me say today date TD minus, let me say independent. Then this is the difference I want to check. Okay, so now if I print this also, yeah, now it is equal to 27,837 days. Okay, 27,837 days. So this is what exactly we are getting it here. So if you want to express the difference between the dates, that is possible, and if you want to express the total difference, okay, between years also, that is possible. So both the ways it is possible, but anyway it is most effective if you specify the date in years, a difference is in years. So that's why you can choose any method. And for example, using days also you can calculate. For example, 27,837 by 365, if you do it, then what we are getting is result is 76.26. So this is what exactly, so the actual date is years is. So both the ways you can do it. Okay, now let us try another example here. So for example, if you know your birthday, so generally, okay, birthday to current date. So for example, I will take the birthday as, for example, so 1965. Okay, then October, then let me say 5th October. Okay, now a person was born on 5th October 1965. Now I want to calculate the date, okay, the age of this person using this date time library. So now let me run this. Okay, so now if 58 years his age will be as in this, it is 58 years. And okay, so it will be 21,211 days. That is what exactly the algorithm is giving. Okay, so now let us make this program more interactive. So what we can take is, we can we can take the user input here. So for example, so let me say y equal to, I can ask user input here. So input, so mm, enter year. Okay, similarly I can say, I can ask month equal to, it is also input, so enter month. Okay, then enter which day. So t equal to int input, so I can say enter day. So day, month, this we are giving. Now here what we'll do is, let me give it y comma m comma d. So now it will run for any particular date. For example, once again let me give, so now it is asking enter year. So let me say 2014. Let me say it's I'll say 12. Then let me say 20. Now the age is 9 years, so which is equal to 3238. Okay, so this is how generally it happens. So this will work here. So this concept we can use to find out the difference between any two dates, and directly we can calculate the age of any person or any object. Thank you guys.